Unleash your inner designer. Canva makes it easy. Hey there, gorgeous. Ever wished you could design stunning visuals but felt intimidated by complicated software? Don't worry, you're not alone. That's where Canva comes in, my friend. Canva is your secret weapon to design like a pro, even without any prior experience. Canva is an online design platform that's truly revolutionary. It empowers everyone to create beautiful designs with ease. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, Canva has something special for you. Get ready to embrace your creativity and watch your design dreams come true. With Canva, gone are the days of wrestling with clunky software or expensive design programs. Canva is here to make design accessible to everyone. It's time to unleash your inner designer and create visuals that truly pop. Drag, drop, and design. Canva's intuitive interface. One of the things that makes Canva so incredibly user-friendly is its intuitive drag and drop interface. Seriously, it's so easy to use. Think of it like playing with digital building blocks. Just select the elements you want and drag them onto your canvas. Canva's interface is designed to be clean, simple, and easy to navigate. Everything is clearly labeled and logically organized. You'll find all the tools and features you need right at your fingertips. No more searching through endless menus or struggling to find the right button. Canva takes all the guesswork out of design. With its drag and drop interface, you'll be creating stunning visuals in minutes. Even if you're a complete tech newbie, you'll feel like a design whiz in no time. Templates galore, your design shortcut to success. Short on time? No problem. Canva has thousands of professionally designed templates to get you started. Seriously, they have everything from social media posts to presentations, logos, posters, and so much more. Simply choose a template that catches your eye and customize it to your heart's content. Canva's templates are fully customizable, so you can easily change the colors, fonts, images, and layout to match your brand or personal style. You can even upload your own images and logos to make your designs truly unique. Canva gives you a head start on your design projects. No more staring at a blank canvas, feeling lost and uninspired. Canva's templates are your secret weapon to creating professional-looking designs in a flash. It's like having a team of designers at your beck and call 24/7. Fonts and graphics. The building blocks of visual storytelling. Want to add some personality to your designs? Canva has got you covered. With a vast library of fonts and graphics, you can let your creativity run wild. Choose from a wide array of stylish fonts to convey your message with impact. Looking for eye-catching graphics to make your designs pop? Canva has thousands of high-quality images, illustrations, icons, and more. You can even animate your designs to bring them to life. Canva gives you all the tools you need to tell your story visually. Whether you're going for a bold and modern look or something more classic and elegant, Canva has the perfect fonts and graphics to match your vision. Get ready to make your designs truly shine. Section 5. Design Basics for Beginners. Canva as your creative mentor. New to design? No worries. Canva is here to guide you every step of the way. Think of Canva as your personal design mentor, always there to lend a helping hand. With Canva's easy-to-follow tutorials and helpful tips, you'll learn the basics of design in no time. Discover the power of color palettes, typography, and composition. Learn how to create balance and visual harmony in your designs. Canva breaks down complex design principles into bite-sized lessons that are easy to understand and apply. With Canva by your side, you'll gain the confidence and skills to create designs that truly stand out. Get ready to impress yourself and everyone else with your newfound design prowess. You've got this. Section 6. Level up your design game. Advanced features for pros. For those of you who are already familiar with design, Canva has a whole suite of advanced features to take your creations to the next level. Collaborate on designs in real time with your team, no matter where they are in the world, streamline your workflow, and ensure brand consistency with Canva's brand kit. Create and save your brand colors, logos, fonts, and other assets for easy access. Canva grows with you, offering advanced features to match your evolving design needs. From social media scheduling to video editing, Canva empowers you to do more. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a large organization, Canva's advanced features streamline your design process and unlock a world of creative possibilities. Get ready to unleash your full design potential. Section 7. Canva for everyone, from personal projects to business success. The beauty of Canva is its incredible versatility. Canva is your go-to design solution for both personal and professional projects. Create stunning invitations for your next party, design a beautiful vision board, or whip up a personalized birthday card for a loved one. Canva empowers you to bring your ideas to life, no matter how big or small. Create eye-catching social media graphics, design professional presentations that wow your audience, or develop marketing materials that elevate your brand. Canva has everything you need to succeed. No matter your design needs, Canva has the tools and inspiration to help you achieve your goals. From personal projects that spark joy to business ventures that make an impact, Canva empowers you to design with purpose and passion. Section 8. Unleash your creativity. Canva empowers you to design anything. With Canva, the design possibilities are truly limitless. Let your imagination soar and watch your creative visions come to life. Design captivating Instagram stories, create professional-looking resumes that stand out from the crowd, or develop eye-catching YouTube thumbnails that grab attention. Canva empowers you to design anything you can dream up, from social media graphics to marketing materials, presentations, invitations, and everything in between. Canva has you covered. The only limit is your imagination. Canva is your creative playground where you can experiment, explore, and express yourself freely. Get ready to unlock your design potential and create visuals that truly captivate and inspire. Section 9. Join the Canva revolution. Start creating today. So, what are you waiting for? Join millions of creators around the world and discover the magic of Canva for yourself. With its user-friendly interface, endless design possibilities, and affordable pricing, there's no reason to wait. Canva offers a free plan with tons of awesome features. And if you want to unlock even more creative power, you can upgrade to Canva Pro for a truly premium experience. Sign up for your free Canva account today and start designing like a pro. Trust me, once you experience the ease and joy of designing with Canva, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Get ready to unleash your inner designer, my friend. The world is waiting to see what you create.